This outbreak has the potential to have a devastating impact on communities.
Events continue to be canceled across the tri-state area. CBS 2's Allie Bauman live now in the newsroom with more on this. Allie.
Well, Maurice and Jessica, this afternoon, Governor Cuomo said the goal in New York is to reduce the density of people as much as possible in order to reduce the rate of infection. Right now, the St. Patrick's Day parade is at stake. 45 minutes ago, parade organizers told us the anticipated event will be canceled. And then just moments ago, organizers called us and walked it back, saying nothing has officially been decided. We'll have more on that later. Meantime, here's the latest from city and state leaders. After taking calls at the city's coronavirus 311 center Wednesday, Mayor de Blasio went to City Hall for a roundtable about the outbreak.
We have a long, tough battle ahead.
The health commissioner says this outbreak could last in the city through September.
Our goal is to be smart about the public health needs of the city, but also keep the city running.
With 216 positive cases of coronavirus in New York State as of this afternoon, Governor Cuomo says federal testing capacity is far below the demand.
We're going to start contracting with private labs in the state to increase our testing capacity. The Department of Health routinely works with about 28 labs, which are expert in this kind of testing and virology.
In order to further the social distancing directive and reduce the density of people downstate, the governor is ordering all state and city universities of New York, SUNY and CUNY schools, to start closing their campuses March 19th and move classes online for the rest of the semester.
If students have hardships where they have nowhere to go and they're dorm students, then I'm sure an individual campus would take that into consideration. There'll be some situations where they have programs that must happen on site. They're doing a lab or something like that. But those are the exceptions.
Lawmakers also continue to strongly urge New Yorkers to work from home, and the state is leading by example.
We are asking the legislature to pass a bill that says people will be paid by their employer if they're on quarantine. New York State will pay any person who is quarantined who is an employee of New York State.
Well, there are still many questions about how remote learning will work at SUNY and CUNY schools. The governor was not able to answer how school sports teams or graduations will proceed, but he said much of the so-called distance learning will vary campus by campus. Live in the newsroom, Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.